welcome everyone. I have a bird update for you, and it's actually more than one bird update. It's not just the nest that you saw in our last bird video where it's titled the birds are moving in. So it's not just that. We've got more. So the following are clips that I've taken over the past week. Today is June 3rd. And so over the past week, I've been taking clips of the birds chirping in their nest and mama and daddy bird going back and forth. And then after that, I'll have a couple other little updates for you. So stay tuned for that. you look at this, I have seen this pair of doves going in and out of this tree with twigs and stuff. They're making a nest in there. This is a tree in our front yard, or our side yard actually. I am so excited to go up there and be nosy, but of course I want them to finish, you know, doing what they gotta do over there. I don't want to go too close and spook them, so I'm super zoomed in right now from the backyard, but oh, this is so exciting. Another nest. Well, hello there. Beautiful. It's hard to see because it's focusing on, but right here we have a dove sitting on a nest. I told you they were building a nest in there. How cute. All right, I'm gonna leave you alone now, but you're absolutely beautiful. Should we try to zoom a little bit more and then leave her alone? Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Hope you enjoyed that. Now I have a bird story to tell you. I don't have any footage to go with it, but I'll take you for a tour of the yard, yeah, whatever, and show you where things happened at, and I'll explain as I go along. Right over here, I was walking the yard right after I got home from work, so like a couple hours ago, hour ago, whatever. Anyway, this planter is usually turned upward. Well, it had water in it. It was kind of gross too, but it had water in it. And I came over here and there were two birds in there and they couldn't get out. They were young birds. I don't know if they were young crows or some sort of blackbird. In fact, if I see one of those blackbirds around here, I'll show you. Anyway, so they got out and they were hopping along over here and they went in there. And one of them was definitely in my forsythia here because I heard him cry, and then I heard him like hopping from branch to branch. So I'm not sure where he is now. Both of them might have been in there, but I only saw one moving. But anyway, so they both went in there. And then a few minutes later, two adult birds came by. And presumably it was mom and dad, and they were sitting like right up here and I guess checking on them. So it was very cool. It was so cool. Look, we're able to see that dove from the backyard. I didn't think I could. Wow. Okay, cool. So I don't have to go all the way up to the tree next time. That is so awesome. I love it. So apparently our yard is now some sort of haven for birds. I am putting like some seed down, like some outdoor bird food type stuff for them. And there's just, since this one nest has been built and like the birds have been going nuts in there, we've had so many birds here, it's crazy. And then when I noticed the doves, it looked like they were building a nest. I was like, oh my gosh, this is exciting. And I just had to go out to that tree and find it. So yeah, I'm so excited about this. It's really, really cool to see this. I think that's going to do it for this video. I will have another bird update next week, the week after, something like that, you know, as things start happening, especially when those doves hatch. That'll be amazing. I'm gonna love that so much. That is gonna do it for now, guys. We're Spencer's Ventures. We're gonna see you in the next video, and we are out of here. Bye. Bonus footage. That's the type of bird I think it was that there were babies. Those are the, I don't know if those are the same two that were over there checking on the babies, but that's what they look like. I don't think they're crows. I think they're something else. I'll have to try to find out.